Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Polygon Matic chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Polygon Matic has continued to hold above a significant low at around the $0.6227 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. And yesterday we had a bit of a brief breakout to the upper side, reacting to the CPI data, which came out being positive to the market. And after the CPI, you can see that we saw this massive spike to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.6752 mark. And after the CPI, we had a bit of a pullback, getting back to the area at around the $0.62 mark. And you can see that at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a recovery once more. And there are chances that this might continue and also give us a break above the highs that we made yesterday at around the $0.67 mark, given that we also have some fundamental news today where I'm also expecting the PPI and I'm also expecting the FOMC meeting later in the day. And as a result of this, I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market. And if this news has a positive impact in the market, then I'm expecting Polygon Matic to give us another massive push to the upside in a move that could get us above the $0.7 mark. So that is a move that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Polygon Matic chart ahead of the PPI data and the FOMC meeting. Polygon Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis. Basing it on the Elliot structures, you can see that after seeing our June lows last year, we saw this 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $1.3 mark in a move that completed the formation of that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A, then an overshooting wave B. Then we saw one more leg down in the formation of this wave C to the lower side. And the massive sell-off that we saw last week helped Polygon Matic fully maximize this target area on the charts that I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. Giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.8114 mark and the $0.5299 mark, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And since Polygon Matic has fully maximized that target area, there are chances that soon we can see a reaction of this target area and start an impulse in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And for us to get confirmations that the low for this wave 2 is in and the start of an impulse in this wave 3 has now started, I'm watching out to see whether Matic is going to give us a 5-wave move very soon, followed by an ABC corrective structure. And in case we see such a move, then we continue gearing up. That will be enough confirmation that the low for this wave 2 is in and the start of an impulse in this wave 3 has now started. And then from that point, we can start sketching out target areas to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view. On the short-term point of view, I'm expecting volatility as a result of the FOMC meeting and the PPI data, in a move that could possibly take us above the $0.7 mark today. So continue watching out for such a scenario. And on the worst case scenario, in case the data has a negative impact, then we can expect further breakdown in a move that could possibly give us a reset or maybe give us a low at around the $0.55 mark, which is the other area that we have support. So watch out for those two possible scenarios. So taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.